Hi friends! Today we learned the letter J. Are you ready? Let's go! J. J. Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J. J. Juggler. J is for juggler. Juggler. J. J. Jaguar. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. J. J. Juice. J is for juice. Juice. J. J. Jeep. J is for Jeep. Jeep. J. J. Jet. J is for jet. Jet. Well done! You learned the letter J. See you next time on Deno's Academy. Bye-bye!